Somali recruits nearing the end of basic training. Under the guidance of European Union soldiers, he's become a crack shot and is expecting to put his skills to the test against Al-Shabaab, Somalia's Al-Qaeda-linked militia.
I've been taught how to cover myself from snipers and how to segregate civilians from the enemy, and if they are enemy, when to kill them and when to capture them.
The recruits have been learning how to fight in built-up environments. Specially constructed buildings resemble Somalia's capital, Mogadishu, where most of these men will be deployed. And with the international community paying the troops' salaries, Abdirazak is hopeful that discipline will remain tight.
We're expecting to have more equipment outside and in built-up areas. In terms of the salary, we're expecting that this time when we go back, we'll be paid more than before.
The troops' imminent graduation runs alongside recent progress on the ground in Somalia. Al-Shabaab is in retreat as the African Union cranked up its long-running intervention after taking Mogadishu from the insurgents last year. Kenyan troops, shown here in southern Somalia, are now being integrated into the African Union force after unilaterally crossing the border to confront Al-Shabaab. The Somali trainees will be deployed alongside the African Union in the fight against the insurgents. This man, who's training to be a frontline medic, will find himself on the opposite side to one of his brothers, who joined the Al-Shabaab cause as a schoolboy.
I don't have any connection with him anymore. I can't even picture his face.
Al-Shabaab is increasingly on the defensive, and not just militarily. They've lost the support of much of Somalia's population, with thousands fleeing to Kenya last year after the insurgents blocked access by aid agencies to famine-hit zones. Abdirazak and his peers